Do you understand English but feel shy to speak? Today, we're going to speak for 10 full minutes. Watch carefully, repeat after me, and by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident speaking English naturally.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Jake. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I went for a short walk before breakfast. It was nice and sunny.
That sounds lovely. I stayed home, just had coffee and read a little.
Nice. What did you read?
Some simple English stories. I'm trying to improve my vocabulary.
That's a great idea. I usually listen to English songs to improve my listening.
Really? That's cool. Songs help with pronunciation too.
Yes, and sometimes I try singing along to practice speaking.
Haha, that's fun. I should try that.
You definitely should. Do you like music?
Yes, I love pop and jazz. Music makes me happy.
Me too. I listen to pop mostly. It's catchy and easy to follow.
By the way, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
Usually I have lunch, then I do some light exercises or read a book.
That sounds nice. I sometimes go for a short walk after lunch.
A walk is a good idea. It refreshes your mind.
Exactly. And sometimes I talk to friends in English online.
Really? I also like chatting with friends to practice English.
It helps a lot, especially casual conversation.
Yes, because in real life, people don't speak perfect textbook English.
Exactly. That's why practicing daily conversation is important.
Do you have a favorite place to practice English?
Yes, sometimes in the park. I speak aloud while walking.
That's smart. I should do the same.
It builds confidence. Even if you make mistakes, no one is judging.
True. I feel nervous sometimes when speaking in public.
That's normal. Everyone feels that at the beginning. How often do you practice English?
Every day, even 10 to 15 minutes helps a lot.
I want to do the same. Consistency is key, right?
Yes, consistency over intensity. Small practice daily is better than long practice once a week.
I like that. I will start today.
Great. We can also practice together sometimes.
That would be fun. What topic should we talk about first?
Simple topics like daily routines, favorite food, hobbies.
Perfect. Let's start with food. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and burgers. How about you?
I like pasta and salads. I try to eat healthy most of the time.
That's smart. I should eat more vegetables.
Yes, but small treats like pizza are okay too.
Yes, balance is important.
Exactly. What about drinks? Tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee in the morning, tea in the evening.
I drink tea every morning. It helps me wake up slowly.
Slow wake up sounds nice. Coffee wakes me up fast.
Do you usually watch TV or movies?
Yes, I watch movies to learn English.
Same here. I watch series too. Short episodes are easy to repeat.
Yes, repeating lines helps pronunciation.
Exactly. Do you also try reading subtitles?
Yes, I read English subtitles to understand words better.
That's smart. I only read subtitles sometimes. I should do it more.
It really helps, and watching native speakers is important.
Agreed. By the way, do you like weekend plans?
Yes, I love weekends. Less work, more fun.
Same. Maybe we can go for a short walk this Saturday.
That's a great idea. The park is nice and quiet.
Yes, I love that park. What time should we meet?
How about 10 a.m.?
Perfect. I'll bring water and snacks.
Great, and we can also practice English while walking.
Yes, talking about simple things first, then we can try slightly harder sentences.
Exactly. That's how we improve step by step.
I feel excited already.
Me too. Practice makes perfect.
Yes, let's start speaking more every day.
Deal. Tomorrow, we can practice new phrases.
Sounds perfect. See you Saturday then.
See you, Emma. Don't forget, confidence is the key.
Congratulations! You just completed your Day 1 10-minute English conversation practice. Repeat this dialogue daily, speak out loud, and don't fear mistakes. Start simple, stay consistent, and you'll see amazing improvement. Subscribe to EnglishGhor Pro and speak English confidently.